I'm going to try a very limited selection of colors today in this painting, and I'll just show you the colors I got here. Some permanent alizarin crimson, it's hard to read. And a thumbnail drawing I usually like to do before I begin painting. So I think I'll try a different approach with this painting. I'm just going to start by just I'm going to do underpainting, a wipeout underpainting. And so I'm just going to do it with red. I have my alizarin. I'm just going to cover the whole canvas with a thin coat of alizarin. And thin down somewhat with liquid and Gamsol mixture to thin that down. Now what I can do is I can lift out some lights, and first I'll establish some darks. I'll just add a little blue to that to start just getting some drawing in, really. And it has, I put in a horizon line. It's kind of hidden back here, some trees, line of trees behind the foreground trees. Put a little yellow in that, maybe. It's not really that much of a wipeout, but I'm going to wipe out some lights at least. So I think of wipeouts, probably you do it in a monotone, usually maybe burnt umber. Started putting colors in, so we've just done it all in alizarin. So I'm not going to do that. Just these big shapes of some trees coming in there, around this bank of a river. Let's see how that took a white ball. Maybe I will work it with alizarin. Just get these massing my shapes with alizarin to remind myself what wiping is probably usually in monotone, for an underpainting. Just doing a monotone single color. Cue time lapse, Captain. And so I'll just reiterate what I was doing here is making an underpainting with the wipeout technique. And in wipeout technique, it's generally a monotone using a single color such as burnt umber. And in this case, I had made mine with alizarin crimson, permanent alizarin crimson. Now I've gone at this a while and tried to get it fairly tight. Get it in there, the underpainting, and I think that's about it, as tight as I'm going to go with the underpainting. Kind of just keep going with the wipeout painting, make it just could keep going with it. But I'm going to start adding color into here. This is just mostly white with a little of the blue. Just pop in some sky. Start with that. Cue time lapse, Captain. And stand by, we are back in 3, 2, 1. And so just continue, kind of work actually from the background, furthest back things, and some fields of grass coming through there, a few trees, very distant trees, and this bluish stuff, very pale blue, not very pale, but it's going to have some white mixed in. Now my object here, on this painting, I think like I just want to do almost just these pointillist little bits of paint. I don't want to go layers and layers upon this, and just, I can just put single dots of paint covering this. If I'm explaining myself, understandably or not, I don't know. Well, back to time lapse, cue time lapse. this is how it came out. I guess, you know, I think it came out okay. Kind of experimental for me, technique, and as you can see, a lot of the red underpainting is showing through. I guess try to explain, I just putting like dots almost over that, and really mostly just leaving the dots as they are. If they need to adjust the color, then I could adjust the color, otherwise it's just put the dots in and cover over the red kinda until I'm finished. And I think it's kinda interesting. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing and saying nice comments, questions, and suggestions. Bye.